Hey, so today was, painful day. Heart is just very much broken. And this morning, my ex-husband had sent a message about paper stuff and payments and things that he needs to do and phone, and he's really not good at arranging those things. And it's like he said, that his new girlfriend is arranging all that stuff. So that was like, it was very hurtful. And I could feel like taking this old pattern, like I'm going to hurt him back, and I was writing this message and I sent one, and then I was like, no, I don't want this. I closed my phone and I put it aside, and I just called a friend and cried. And I'm not going to react on it. And I'm just going to feel my pain. Like, just so, just sucks. But I'm proud that I could stop myself and not like throw all that anger to him because it doesn't work. So day 2, I just cried a lot today and feel my emotions. So tomorrow it's working day, so a little bit of distraction. It will be good. So that's not much to say, just pain, feel, move, just allow, just be with myself. I did take a walk with dogs, listen to the rain outside, So that's my day. It was very hard, it sucked, and that's it. Bye.